Now let's talk about adding users and user permissions. So coming to the main screen here, we see your collections. On the left-hand side, let's go to the account setting buttons with this gear icon. So if you click that gear icon, if you have the correct permissions, such as administrator, you should see all these different selections available. The first thing up here is creating a user. So it's very simple. You just click invite users and just enter in the email address. And once you enter in the email address for that person, they will receive an email to sign up and so forth. You can assign that person to a group, and the nice thing about creating groups is that it will automatically fill in the roles. So for example, if I were to choose the admin group, you can see that it gives for certain products such as Explore and account settings, it gives them certain roles automatically. If I were to add a different role, let's just say demo analytics group, you can see that it adds these roles automatically also. Now I can stack the groups by also adding admin group again here, so now it automatically fills in the different roles. If you do want to set data permissions on what this person can have access to, you can set that through here. So you can select the data permissions, and data permissions are going to be created here, just like for roles you can create here, and groups you can create here. So very briefly, let's go through each one of them. If we go to groups, if I were to create a group here, I can give the group a name, and you're just selecting the roles that you want for each of the products. And you can also set the data permissions down here also. If I go to roles and create a role here, you can create a role for each product, so such as analytics, and just give that role for analytics, give it a role name that maybe this person is view only, analytics view only, just an example, right? So analytics view only. So I could have a role, for example, and I'll just select view only here and save that. So now I create another role. Also for data permissions, I can come here and create data permissions and set criteria on the data permission. So I can say, for example, if I wanted to see data only for Japan, for example, I could select country and be able to have matched the specified value for that. So, and that's it for users and permissions. So, Japan, example. There you go.